Oh hello, it's been a while since I've done one of these, and that's largely because in the last 12 months since the last video came out, in fact it's longer than that, absolutely nothing has moved with the Project Purple. The garage filled up with crap, admittedly mostly my crap, but also loads of other crap as well. But the garage did fill up with it, and I wasn't able to do a lot of work. Plus we had other things going on as well. Life got in the way of the project, but that's what it is. It is what it is. So we're going to get on now. Things have kicked off now, or back into motion, because just before Christmas I ordered an engine, the engine for the project. So as you know from the previous episodes, and if you haven't seen the previous episodes, go back and find them. I've ordered a 327 Chevy Small Block from Barnaby. It's currently in a container on its way across the Atlantic to good old Blighty, and I've started making space for it now. Let's just take the camera off of here a minute. Let's flip that over and see. You can see the garage is quite full. Got some bits and pieces, a couple of things since last time. I've got some couple of centerline wheels. The axle there. The axle is actually going. The Audi Quattro bits and pieces are going back on eBay. As I've decided it's going to be much more sense to carry on with the Mustang axle I've got out of the back. I know it's only 8-inch, but it should be strong enough, and I think the car will break traction before the shafts break on it. So once I've cleared this space out, I'm going to get these advertised up on eBay, along with the drive shafts and the bits and pieces down here, and get shot of them. But as you can see, I've got a lot of tidying up to do. But in preparation for the engine's arrival, I've got myself an engine stand. There we go. So we do that. There we go. And it handles 1,500 pounds, 680 kilos. The Chevy Small Block weighs about 300 kilos, just over, with the cast iron inlet and the cast iron exhaust, which will obviously be coming off. And let's put that back on there. So I'm just going to film a little bit of me putting the engine stand together. I'd already actually started the thing, and then I thought, well, I should be filming this for Project Purple. So let's get on with it. So to continue, I've already got the nuts and bolts in part of it. Let's get the leg bolted onto the back of the thing. Got nuts and bolts in here, some instructions. Sorry if you can't see my head, but that's because you're looking through a letterbox. It's a rectangular screen and you ain't going to see the top of my head. It's probably just as well really, because it's quite hairless. So, find the nuts and bolts, the big washers, there we go. It's all pretty heavy duty stuff, this. I suppose it needs to be really, with what's going to be hanging on the thing. So let's get the washers on. Well, I've been looking forward to getting this engine through. The engine is a 62 to 67 327 small block. I believe it's out of an SS, Chevrolet SS vehicle, not sure which one, or a Corvette, and we believe it's a 300 horsepower model. Obviously it's not going to stay that way. I've got a wind accelerator intake manifold to go on. I've actually got a Holly 600 here somewhere as well, but I think I'm going to go for either a Holly Sniper or Phytech fuel injection, just to make it a little bit more reliable. There's also going to be a pretty airy cam going in there. I'm going to put an Edelbrock Torque Plus cam in, and we're running flat top pistons, 63cc chambers, so it should be putting on around about 10 to 1 compression. So it should make a wee bit more, and if it's got the camel hump heads on it, I'll get them ported and polished. If not, I'll invest in a pair of dart heads or similar to get that flow up, and hopefully I should be able to push around about 400 horsepower with headers on, which will be pretty nice in a 1200 kilo car. So let's get the spanners out of the box, we ratchet and continue. Let's do some ratcheting. Let's make sure I don't bend that. Obviously this bit will be speeded up, so you don't get bored watching me shifting the spanners. That's pretty solid. Right then, let's lay it down. I suppose it would make a lot of sense if I actually knelt on my knee rest. I'm getting old now, my knees hurt. Excuse me. It's not exactly lightweight, this. So let's get a couple of 17s. Okay, that appears to be missing the bolt. Actually, I'm not missing a bolt after all that. To read the instructions properly. This goes in. It's foldable. Right. Let's fit some wheels on. And there we go, finished product. And sort of get some idea how big it is with my hand. There. Yep. So the next job after this is to look at these boxes here. Them there. Ignoring the dog's hooks. See, that belongs to my other half. We got these here, these three boxes, which are my 2-ton engine crane. So that'll be the next thing to assemble, and that'll be coming soon.